Welcome to FPOS Managers tutorial number 2. In the last video we learned how to add an item. We added an item called Tuesday Green Fee, and now we're going to talk about how to create a button for that item. And so the first thing we want to do is we are going to actually take a view at the front end of FPOS. We're going to find the menu that we wish to put the button on, and now we're going to find the position. You find the position by starting right up here. This area right here is where we put items that you will be ringing for sale. We start right here and we count across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So you see in this example right here, we would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're going to put it right here. So we're on the green fee menu and we're on button 14. Okay, so now we're going to slide back over to the back end of FPOS, and we're actually going to pull up button maintenance, which I've actually already done. So we pull up the button maintenance, which you'll find in the most used category. When you do this, what we're going to do is find, just like we did in item maintenance, we're going to find a button to use as a template. So we're going to find a similar button under the green fee menu. And okay, so I know, for example, that Golf 18 weekend is a green fee item. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start here, and remember that we knew that we were going to need to move it to button position 14. So you see right here button position. We're going to switch that to 14. So we've got that part taken care of. Now, up here on the right hand side, you see this edit function data. This is very important. This is where we actually select the item that will be attached to the button. So when you hit the button, it triggers the sale of those items. Now, this button is a multiple item sale, so when you hit it, you're actually ringing two items. You're ringing the golf car fee, but you're also ringing the green fee item associated with it. So now we're going to click here, drop down, and we're looking for the Tuesday green fee item that we added in the previous tutorial. And as we go down through here, we're looking for Tuesday green fee. And there we go. So we select Tuesday green fee. You see also we have the 18-hole golf car fee associated with that. We hit OK. So what else do we need to do here? Well, let's look first. We have the button name, and we're going to change that in just a few minutes with a save as function. The function of the button is to sell an item, so that will remain the same. And the menu is the green fee menu, and we already determined that that's where we would like to have it. Now the only thing left to do would be to set the security level, which we're not going to do for this button because we'd like everybody to be able to ring it if needed. But we are going to edit the image. And so we are going to now look here. You can change the text color or the background color if you would like. This shows you what the image will actually look like. What we are going to do here is we're going to change the text. So we're just going to backspace this out. And we're going to call this Tuesday fee with cart. And of course, the Tuesday fee, as we talked about before, is a fictitious fee we made up for this tutorial. So we hit OK. We've got everything set. We've got the correct button name. We've got the function, which is sell an item. We've got the correct menu. We edited the function data, which is where you determine which items will be triggered for sale when you push the button. And we have the button position and the image. So now all we have to do is a file save as. We'll keep the prefix golf 18 weekend. And we'll call this Tuesday green fee. We'll hit OK. We have now created this button. We're going to slide back to the front end here. And we should see just in a brief moment that this button we just created will appear right here in the 14th position. So again, just as a little summary, the process for adding this on the front end, you first have to create the item, which we did in tutorial number 1, and then you have to create the button which triggers the sale of the item or items. So we will see this appear. We're just going to have to trust me that this is going to appear here because it may take a while sometimes, and There's no sense making the video longer. So when this is all said and done, this button will appear right here. And thank you for watching tutorial number 2. That is Manager's tutorial number 2. Thank you very much.